Then you go get a job. There is nothing wrong with getting a job. I don't know why so many people talk about it like, oh, this person got a job. This is a great thing. I started with a job. I was working for Hilton Hotels. Is that a shame? That's wonderful. But what is the goal with having a job? I'll tell you what the goal is. The main goal with having a job is to learn leadership skills. What kind of skills? Number one, how to manage yourself. Most people can't even manage themselves. They drink too much, they eat too much, they don't exercise, they don't sleep enough. I mean, I can't even tell you. Right? And you can look at a person, this person has no self-discipline. The person is addicted to so many things. So don't become your own worst enemy. So first thing you learn in a job is discipline for yourself. Number two, you learn how to manage others. You have to learn how to get along with people, to work with people, because you can only control yourself at one point. You realize, I can't control you 100%. I know what's good for you. You know what's good for somebody else. But you can't control anybody else. So all you have to do is learn how to work with others. How to manage their effort in the direction that's going to be good for the overall. Number three, how to manage time. Number four, how to manage money. So now you can really be a leader, because a leader is somebody who can manage themselves, others, time, and money, and get a project done within budget and as promised. And if you can't, you're not a leader. And if you can't lead, you shouldn't go move up in life. And you won't move up even in a job. There's nothing wrong with having a job, especially if you have a base salary and an incentive of some sort. Am I right, yes or no?